Today, you will learn how to insert multiple pictures in Word at once with same size and resize them automatically. First, go to the place where you want to add the pictures. Then click on Insert, choose Pictures, and select all the images you want from your computer. To select multiple pictures at once, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each picture one by one. Then click Insert. After the pictures appear in Word, the last picture will be automatically got selected. Or you can manually select any one of the pictures, go to the Picture Format tab, and use the height and width boxes to make it the size you want. Then simply select other images one by one and press F4 after selecting, so they all look equal and neat. If the pictures move around too much, click on Layout options and choose a simple wrap style like Inline with Text. Now you can simply add space with the spacebar or Tab key. And also, you can press Enter if you want to move image to next line. That's it. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe.